Hello guys, my name is Purnendu and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I'm excited to showcase my latest Power BI project focused on the e-commerce domain. So in this video, I am using Amazon sales dataset, which is collected from Kaggle. So here is the dataset. So first, I'll check all the columns here. Like first is product ID, product name, category, discount price, actual price, discount percentage, rating count, and many more. Okay. So before going to Power BI, first I'll tell you all the business objective we can analyze here. So first analyze which category capture the market by their price or their order quantity, by their revenue, everything. Second, which is the total revenue they generate from the individual category, also from the subcategory wise. Then, price of the product having high demand in each category. Then, the top discount price, total sales by each category, and what are the top and low rated products so they can see what needs to improve market. So, without wasting time, let's move back to the Power BI, start create the dashboard. Okay, now let's open Power BI first. Just import the dataset from here, text and CSV. Okay, first we don't load the data from here because we need to clean some data, change some value. So just click on that transform data. Okay, it's done. Now we'll check all the data sets, all the columns types. It's okay or not. So first of all, it's product ID, it's okay, product name is okay, category is okay. So for let's go to the discount price. It's need to be the decimal number, but it is a text. So we need to change the rupees value. So you go to the transform and replace value. We just copy the logo and just value to found here and replace it. Okay. We are doing same with the actual price also. Okay, now it's converted to decimal number. Yeah, it will done. And same goes to actual price. Discount price is okay. Rating is also a decimal number. Rating count also decimal number. Okay, so we don't need that about product. So we can delete it. User name, user ID, review ID, and review title. We don't need that. Review content. We don't need that. Image link. We don't need that. Okay, so let's keep the product link if we need or not for some analysis or. So in this category column, we've seen too much category division. So we don't need all the division. So first one is we'll use first one as a category and last one as a subcategory. Okay, so I'll do it. So first click the category column and then we will go add column. Then we need to use text before delimiter. So we'll give the text before delimiter and we detect the delimiter and click on OK. So we got our category section. Now we will turn to the subcategory. Same, but now you will text after delimiter and you need to change that from the end of the output and click on the delimiter and we will get the subcategory. So now we don't need that category column now because we got our original category and subcategory. So just rename the column now. And now just move back to the beginning side, all the column. Okay, now I will check in each and every column is there are any null value or is a blank cells here or not. Subcategory, there are no null value. discount price. There are no null value. Same goes to actual values, actual price. Okay, we got a discount price 0. It's okay. 0 is okay. Let's check once. Uh, okay, the actual value discount price is same, so it's obviously 0% discount. And it goes to rating. Rating is all good. Okay, there is some data format error in the rating section, so let's check it later. Okay, now comes to rating count where we have some null value. We have two null value. So I need to change the value here, but we don't know what value we input here. So let's click the product link and check in Google. Okay, I got the product and there is see there are 13 rating. So I need to replace the null value to 13. So first of all, but there are no option to change the single row. So we just okay. Let's check the second product. Okay, click the link and paste it into the Google. But I think we can't find that product. Okay, we are doing some manual search by the product name, but I don't think so. We found one, but this is not the same product which we are trying to find. Okay, so let's back to the data set and just we first value we need to change as 13 and we need to change the second value as 0 because there are no rating and we can't find the product. So for this process we first just change the filter, delete the filter and just replace value with value to null to 13. Let's come to the rating section. There are some data format error. So I believe I just need to. Okay, we can't find the error. Okay, we could not convert to number. I think there is some number issue because we see already saw in the Excel section there are some type error like one in text value and one in decimal value. So I think there is some error while loading in the Power BI. So like so now just keep on this rating section. You can replace the value. So let's go. Keep it now and let's close and apply. Okay, there are one error. You can see. Okay, so now we need to change that one value 13 to 0 because we changed the both value to the 13. So new column which is name rating count updated and we use if function where and also end function because we need to comply with the two condition. One is 13 and on another anything like index number 320 and if true is 0, if false just go with the rating count. So we found that updated column and we just found that now it's updated 13 to 0. Okay, now we are checking that rating rating column. Okay, we got the blank value which give us the data type error which is now shown as a blank. We need to change the value by the product name. Okay, so we can find the value in the when I click that edit query section. So we need to remember some another column value. So let's check discount percentage is 0.16, right? So let's go to the edit query and apply the filter in the discount percentage. So like it's 0.16 and click OK. Okay, so we got that error value and just go to the transform and replace error. And okay, so now we need to find that rating. So we just same goes to just click on the product link and open the Chrome and click. Okay, we got that rating value is okay, rating is 4 out of 5. So we need to change the value 4, change the replace value 4. Okay, now it's 4 and click on the OK. Okay, now it's all done. We clean the data set and we change the value. We got the category value, category section and subcategory section. So without wasting time, let's go to the dashboard section and create our dashboard according to our business object, which I already discussed just start of the video. You can check it out again. So let's go create our dashboard. Deploying all the chart and all the calculation, we need to create some measure. Okay, so let's create some measure. First measure is total product count, or you can say amount, you can say total product amount. So count and select product ID. So we select the card and let's check it out. Okay, we have total 1465 rows, so we got our product count is 1465. Okay, next we'll create another measure which is total sales. Total sales is sum of all the discount prices. Okay. And another measure which is total sales according to the without discount price. Because we need to compare that without discount price and with discount price. So it's sum of actual price. So another is total rating count. And to select this. So thank you for watching.